Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean, Merry Beanmas. It is officially the start of the holiday season. It is officially the beginning of my Beanmas holiday looks. I'm very excited about filming these for you. It's very early in the month of November as I'm starting, and I'm just super excited. I love the holiday vibes, I love the colors, I love the coziness, and I'm just excited to create looks with you. For this look, I don't know what I'm calling it yet. Maybe like Candy Cane Glam, something of that nature. I wanted to play with candy cane colors, but make it just very glamorous and holiday. Don't know if that makes sense, but that was my vision. I had a very loose idea going into this look. I knew what colors I wanted to play with, and that was about it. I really like how this first look came out. I hope this is a good start to the month. I'm very excited about continuing to film more looks and more videos for you this month. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Before we hop into it, this is a CC brand beanie. This is a Christmas brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box for spelling. These plugs are from Hear No Evil Jewelry on Etsy. Use my code BEAUTBEAN for 10% off. It's not a commission code, it's just for you to save money. I believe these old earrings are from Palace of Glitter online. These are very old though. I don't think they're still available. And this necklace is from Ana Luisa. Anyways, with all that being said, let's just hop into this first holiday look. Hi, how are you? I can't believe we're filming my Beanmas looks already. It's crazy. It's only November 10th. Hello from the past. I wanted to just get a jump start on pre-filming some of these since I'm planning on uploading every single day in December, so I have to get a head start. We're gonna do some kind of candy cane-esque inspired, so to speak, look. I don't really have a plan. We're just gonna roll with it. I did already do my primer, foundation, concealer, and like contour. All those details will be in the description box, but I figured we would start with blush and highlight like normal with these kind of like holiday-esque looks, and then we'll get into the eyeshadow. So the main eyeshadow that I'm going to use for my look is this one called Bauxite from Glaminatrix, and I figured I might try to also use this as my blush because I really want a red blush. I'm not gonna go too ham with it. I really want this blush focused just like kind of out here in my temple area. We will see. This is a Morphe E4 brush. I just grabbed an old brush that I'm not using because I don't want it to risk staining one of the brushes that I love using right now. So let's just give it a shot. All right, dipped it in and tapped it off. And we're just gonna start going to town with this red shadow, revealing the fact that, of course, my wig is not glued down because I'm only having this wig on to film this look. It's actually blending out pretty nicely. I have pretty good luck with using eyeshadow as blush, but you never know sometimes, especially with reds. I think that's actually working out really nicely. That's pretty. Do you like candy canes? Do you like peppermint? I love peppermint. The Bluebell brand peppermint ice cream. It's one of my favorites. It's pink and it has these little candy cane chunks in it, and it's so good. Ooh, it's kind of cute. Yeah, I like that. I know it's not anything crazy, but I kind of just wanted a little, just like little peekaboo of red happening. We're gonna go super sparkly with the highlight today. I love candy canes so much. I love peppermint. My mom does a peppermint candy cane themed like Christmas tree, and it's super cute. I might do a tree like that at our new house next year because my goal is to have like a ton of different Christmas trees, like one in every room, and a totally different theme in each room. And I would love to have a like candy cane themed room. It'd be super cute. And take a little bit to pop on my nose, of course. Who would I be if I didn't? And now I'm gonna take my beauty sponge that I used with my foundation, concealer, all that jazz. I don't have any additional product on it now, but I'm just using this to stamp all around where I just put that shadow just to help it mesh into my skin even more before I go in with freckles and highlight. I'm now gonna take the brush that I used with my setting powder just to also really help blend this into the skin. Get it nice and soft. I think that looks cute. It just makes me look kind of cold, which I love. It's actually quite warm today. It's in the 80s today, and I'm not happy about it, but we're pretending. I'm also already getting makeup all over this white shirt. It's fine. For freckles, I'm just gonna use my ColourPop Soft Brown Freckle Pen. I'm not going ham with the freckles. I literally just want like a couple on my nose. Nothing major today. Something kind of like that, nothing crazy. For highlight, I'm gonna do a little combo. The first highlight I'm gonna go in with is Mars Melter from Kaleidos, and it's funny because I know they're sending me the reformulated version of this. I just do not have it in my possession right now. I don't even know when it's arriving. It's been stuck in the same spot since the first. Something about Kaleidos packages do not want to make their way to me for very long periods of time, so I don't know when I'll get it, but I am supposed to be getting the new reformulated version. I just don't have it yet, but regardless, the old one will still be cute. This is like a sheer highlight that's like very glowy, but it has a very pinky red shift to it. And I think it'll be perfect for this because, you know, kind of like when you're sucking on a candy cane and it starts to have that pinky hue, that's kind of what this color is. I think this will just flow with the overall look so nicely. I think it's gonna be so cute. I have so many ideas for my Beanmas looks. They're probably all pre-filmed by now because I'm trying to get super ahead of myself, and I'm just so excited for them. I don't even know how many I'm doing right now off the top of my head, but I have like a lot planned. How cute that is, I love it. Okay, one more highlight now. I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario Quartz Crystal Reflector thing. It's basically just like clear with wet sparkle. And I just want to top some of this on top of what I just laid down, just to add some extra glitz and sparkle and wetness. Because it's Christmas. Holidays mean glitter. Ah, yes. So cute. I love it. I think that was a great start. All right, just gonna spritz my face with the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip setting spray. So for my eyeshadow look, I'm thinking I want to just have this red shadow blended in my crease, just blend it out as best as possible with really this shadow alone. I really don't want like pinky action going on. If it has a little bit of a pinky hue, it's fine if it's similar to like my highlight action, but I want it to really be red. And then I want to cut it with this beautiful sparkly piece of magic called Elegance from Glaminatrix. It's just like snowy white, sparkly magic, and it's so pretty. I kind of want to do a full cut crease of that, and then I want to do a winged liner with Scarlett, the KVD Vegan Beauty Brow Pomade. We'll just have to see. I'm going to prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going to blend it out and not set it because I don't prefer to do that. All right, taking that Bauxite shadow on this little e.l.f. brush. It is the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. It's very, very tiny. And I'm just going to focus that right in my crease. I don't do full cut creases often, so I'm a little nervous. If I was smart, I probably should have done my eyes first and then face after in case I mess up, but you know what? It's okay. I'm just very lightly dragging it out here, just trying to get a nice shape going on. Honestly, I don't even care if this is absurdly winged out. I'm just trying to keep just like a nice little swish. That's all I really care about. Patience is key. And now I'm gonna take this little brush from ColourPop. It's the E9. I have no product on this whatsoever. I'm just gonna lightly start smudging at the edge of this. Nothing too crazy. I'm not even trying to bring it up super high. I'm just trying to help start smudging at the edges to get it as soft as possible. This red shade is so pretty. I feel like it's a very smooth red. This one's fairly easy to work with. I really like it. I'm gonna wipe my brush off periodically so it's not too pinky red or anything like that. Just trying to keep a flow going as best as possible. This actually is seeming to work pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied with this so far. Just going back in with that first brush, I don't have any additional product on it. Just to intensify, kind of going back and forth is key here. Using very light pressure, very soft little motions. I feel like that's pretty perfect actually. I had another brush sitting out here in case I wanted to go in even further, but I feel like that blended out to exactly what I wanted it to be because I still want it to be there and impactful, but I think it did the job. So now we're gonna work on adding the lid shade. So far we're off to a good start. So again, this is Elegance from Glaminatrix, and I'm gonna take that on this flat Juno & Co brush. And of course I'm gonna use my NYX Glitter Primer to help me. Because not only does this help me get precise with cut creases, but it also allows the shimmer to pop and just be extra exciting. So I'm just gonna take this and really just follow my eyeball shape. This is very personal to what your needs are and just your eye shape in general. This is what I found works for me, but you gotta just kind of go with what your preferences are for your eye. All right, it's dipping right into Elegance with that same brush. This is a very chunky shimmer. I'm sure I'm gonna get some fallout, but honestly, it's okay. I don't mind if I'm a little extra sparkly. Wow, this shade is so pretty. I've worn this on my eyes before and it blows my mind. It's so pretty. It's so snowy and cute. I'm just really making sure to follow kind of this cut right here. And I'm just going to pop it on the rest of the lid. Actually, I'm gonna be smart and just kind of use my finger to press on the remaining part of the lid. I like that it has this slight gold twinkle in it because it, I don't know, it feels a little extra holiday that way. I just realized I didn't even put any red on my lower lash line. I got so excited. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that red shadow and just start pushing some of that against my lower lashes. Nothing too crazy, just simply smoking a little bit of red down here. And then I'm gonna take that brush, that ColourPop one, the one that doesn't have any product on it except what little bit is stained on it. I'm just going to smudge as well, just to give a nice little red pop down here. All right, and now taking Scarlett, this red Superbrow pomade from KVD Vegan Beauty. These are eye safe and they're also waterproof. And they're so creamy, they work fantastic as liner in my opinion. So I'm gonna draw a wee little wing. I kind of just wanna have it connect to the edge of where that cut crease is. Again, wings are very personal to your eye shape and your needs and your preferences. Honestly, I just recommend practicing. Try different placements, try different products until you find what works for you. And you could totally just skip the wing for this look if you're not feeling it. I'm just gonna fill it in. It's so hard for me to explain what I'm doing when I'm doing this. It's also hard because I would prefer to have my mirror so much closer to my face, but trying not to block your view. I ended up extending my wing a little bit, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more thickness to this outer corner and just kind of keep playing with it until I like it. I'm feeling fairly okay with that. I actually want to top this with a red shimmer. I think that'll be really pretty. This one is called Tropical, also from Glaminatrix. I'm excited about this color. I'm just gonna use this exact same brush, this angled liner brush from MOTD Cosmetics. I forgot to say it earlier, my apologies. And I'm simply just gonna stamp this right over top of it. I'm not worried about using glitter glue or anything like that. You could, but it's fine. I'm just gonna go right over top of what I just did. You could do a wing with just your shadow as well if you don't have like a red liner or a red pomade. Just make do with what you have. All right, I feel like that wing's looking pretty decent. I'm liking this, I think it's cute. I feel like someone's gonna get mad that my white has like a very gold shift to it, but I don't know, I feel like it looks cute and just holiday. Do I wanna add stripes? I'm worried it's gonna ruin it if I add stripes. I don't think I wanna add stripes, but I will add just like maybe some glitter right along the cut crease. I think that might be cute. And then maybe adding that little bit of silver in here might be a cool just kind of mix of metals. I feel like silver and gold is just very holiday. So as always, if you decide to recreate my look and you wanna do something different, this isn't even the right glitter. This is a black glitter. Let me find a correct glitter. This one's more of what I wanted. This is Crystalize from Pixi. Oh, glad I didn't just slap black all over my eye. This one's kind of clear, but it's just like sparkly and snowy, and that's very cute. Wow, there's traffic going on. But yeah, like I was saying, if you choose to recreate any of my looks and you don't love like a decision I made, then put your own twist on it. There's no rules. We're just having fun. I just have this bent angled liner brush from Pixi, and I'm just going to draw a little bit of glitter right in this cut crease, just to add some extra sparkle. I feel like from afar it's not making much of a difference, but up close I really like this addition of a little bit of this sparkle. You know, I'm kind of feeling like I like this glitter. All right, we're gonna take another route. I'm gonna put some of this glitter eyeshadow on that Juno & Co brush that I used to do cut creasy stuff, and I wanna kind of carefully tap some of this over top of that shadow I did. Not trying to completely cover it, but just adding a little bit more. I like that. Again, I don't feel like that made the biggest difference. It just kind of altered the twinkle a little bit. I think it's cute. For my inner corner, I guess let me go in with Mars Melter. That'll be a cute little inner corner to just kind of tie in with the highlighted cheekbones and things like that. Well, at this point, I'm going to find a way to recreate this on the other eye. I made so many like changes throughout this look, but I'm gonna recreate it on the other eye, throw on my eye pencil, lashes, and lip, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is the look complete. I really truly feel like, picture this. There's a kingdom of little peppermint candy cane people. I feel like I look like their queen, just sitting upon a peppermint throne. You know? I tried to find like a good balance with like peppermint themed colors, but not so much like obvious like candy cane eye makeup. I feel like it's very holiday, but with those pepperminty candy cane tones. I like it. I think it came together nicely. I was very nervous going into this look, especially because I didn't have a full-on plan, but I like this look. I think it's pretty and very holiday in my opinion. The eye pencil I paired with this is actually Platinum from NYX. I wanted, again, to kind of with that mixed metal kind of feel, kind of play with the silver down here that kind of reflects that white gold up top. I don't know, I like it. My lashes are the style Hallow Queen, actually one of the Halloween lashes from Estico, but they're still going strong. I've only worn these a couple times now at this moment in my life. And on my lips, I went with this lip tonic from Kaleidos called Collision. I don't wear a metallic lip very often, but when the holidays come around, I'm down for a metallic red, and I feel like it goes with this wig. I feel like it goes with my eye look. I really like how this came out, and I hope you do too. I guess let's just zoom out and finish up this video. All right, I guess that about wraps up my first holiday look. I hope you like it. I really like how this came out. The more I look at it, the more just in love with my eyes I'm feeling. I think it's so pretty. Really like this look. I wish I actually had somewhere to go, but alas, this is just for you. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a red or white heart emoji. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every single day in the month of December. Please make sure you're staying informed with Black Lives Matter. There's a link in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.